Hi everyone, I'm Kayla with Live Love Spa TV, here to make sure you stay in the know with the news, get some great business ideas, and feel inspired to take on this week. Here we go. Forbes released an article celebrating the success of Sunday's Salon. It's a New York-based, fully non-toxic salon that offers really creative COVID solutions. So first off, they've added guided meditation before treatments with sound therapy, or even just delicious tea in a quiet place. And that's all wonderful for those who decide to come in, but how about for those who still don't want to go into the salon? Well, the owner, Lynn, has a program where you can buy one of their custom retail nail kits, and then you make an appointment and a technician will either video or phone chat with you to walk you through the protocols. So basically a private lesson. And they also offer group nail classes. So does that get any ideas fired up for you? According to a PR Newswire release, the American Med Spa Association has announced the creation of an Aesthetic Safety Council, which is designed to help the organization further its goal of promoting compliance, safety, and profitability through the medical aesthetic industry. According to the article, in spite of the international pandemic, medical aesthetics remains one of the fastest growing industries in the United States. So because of this, it is critical that compliance and education become a strong and consistent focus for industry endeavors to ensure medical aesthetics stay safe and profitable. Trending right now, essential oil diffusers. It's the hot product right now with more people seeking ways to bring spa into their homes. So did you know that there's a whole section on shoplivelovespa.com for all of our team selects for how to make your spa or your home spa-worthy, or your spa home-worthy. So, in addition to the home diffusers that you can find online, a new portable version has hit the market. LOVV Air Disposables. It looks like a vapor pen, but doesn't contain nicotine or tobacco. Instead, it vaporizes vitamins like B12, vitamin C, or theanine, and essential oils like lavender or chamomile. It's an interesting concept. It takes everything you love about the air vapor of an at-home diffuser and makes it on-the-goable. The LOVV Air Inhaler claims to work towards optimizing your physical and mental health, and I think that this brand will have a little bit of pushback because it looks the same as a nicotine vape pen, but it could be a really interesting disposable solution for relaxation lounges or a retail product. What are your thoughts? Respond to our poll in the app. On the app this week, Sammy asked what the best kind of facial is and why. The majority of you responded that you love hydrofacials, with chemical peels as the runner-up. Katie suggested to add oxygen facials to the list, and Heather says you'll have to narrow down your goals with the treatment. And Stephanie says vitamin C. Thanks to all who keep the conversation going. Hasbro has released an all-new line of Play-Doh for adults. So if you ever played with Play-Doh as a kid, you probably remember it being like squishy, but kind of relaxing. So to combat these stressful times, Hasbro released scents so adults can play again. Some of the scents are overpriced latte, mom jeans, dad sneakers, and fresh mowed grass. So maybe a fun stocking stuffer idea. Can you believe it? The holiday season is already upon us, so it is time to start thinking creative holiday promos. Nylon Magazine wrote a highlight about Glory Skincare, which is a Black-owned brand offering custom boxes of varying skincare packages, each one customized to your skin by skincare experts. Now, we think this is an awesome idea of a way that you can turn your current retail into customized packages for your people. Team Live Love Spa released a limited Girls Night In gift set complete with everything you need to spa with friends, like Bonblicity Sugar Scrubs, Yonka Pear's Clarifying Face Mask, Save Me From Hair Mask, and more. Sephora is having a big pre-holiday sale this week, and it's opening in tiers. So that means the highest level customers get first access to the deepest discounts. And I like that idea because it gets customers to rush to sign on to a membership or subscription program. We have some really cool spa openings, plus those movers and shakers coming right up. But first, let's talk flash sales.
Hi guys, I'm Marisol, but where's Jackson? Jackson!
Honey, my ankles are swollen.
Jackson, what's going on here?
Well, I thought, for this week's flash sales, I'd get in the character by getting pregnant.
Woohoo! We know there are a lot of quarantine babies being made and being birthed right now. So in honor of that, our first flash sale item of the week is our My Mom Deserves a Spa Day baby bib. Make sure to get one for those cute little munchkins out there, and all you baby mamas, put it on them and help remind everybody that you deserve a spa day. Because you do.
What about our baby daddies?
Coming soon.
Right on. Cool. And I have the Functional Botanicals Essential Wipes here. So these awesome little wipes, they come in a little pill, so they're very transportable. You can throw them in your pocket, you can throw them in a bag, and all you do is add a little bit of water, and you actually have a moist towelette wherever you go. So people like me sweat all the time. So I want to, clean up wherever I'm going. So this is a perfect solution to that. You just add a little bit of water wherever you are. You just clean yourself up. The essential oils in here make you smell delicious. And then you're good to go.
I love it. So innovative too.
Oui.
And last but not least, guys, we've got the Lucky Owl Key Necklace. This beautiful necklace is in the love mantra, and we all know that the key to love is something beautiful and sparkly. So pick one up for someone today and show them that you love them.
Right on.
Yeah. And don't forget, guys, you can get these items for 50% off for the next week or until supplies last. So make sure to get them before Monday because there's some really good gifts.
Right?
Yeah.
Money, weren't you trying to get the yoga mat last week?
Yes, and I forgot to get it during flash sale.
Happens to the best of us. But I want to remind you that you don't need to wait for flash sales. You can become a pro insider today at shoplivelovespa.com and you get up to 40% off retail products all year round.
True.
I know. And on top of that, all of you spa professionals, it gets you access to an educational portal. It gets you access to wholesale inquiry links, all kinds of very valuable information I know you need in this industry. So become a pro insider today at shoplivelovespa.com and we'll see you on the inside.
Thanks for the reminder, Jackson. Oh. All right, guys, we'll bring it back to Kayla for more spa news.
Thank you, Marisol and Jackson. There are those exciting spa openings this week for anyone looking to get away. So Althea Spa Retreat at the Mykonos Grand Hotel and Resort in Greece is open with views overlooking the sacred island of Delos, which is the birthplace of the mythological god of light, Apollo, and coincidentally, one of the sunniest areas in the world. Away Spa has undergone a $30 million renovation at the W South Beach, Florida. It will be a beach getaway complete with organic detoxifying rituals and vanities inspired by Chanel. Lastly, we are keeping an eye on the scheduled 2022 opening of Schvarkt, an energy-positive spa property in Arctic Norway that will be a glass-fronted, circular property that floats on stilts above the Hollandsfjorden Fjord. It aims to be fully off-grid, carbon neutral, and zero waste within the first 5 years of operation. Before we get to our movers and shakers, it's time for discovery. Here is what's new in brands this week on shoplivelovespa.com. First off, we have a German brand that was founded over 3 decades ago, MBK Skincare. Their microdermabrasion units are the must-have. This portable device has a vacuum lift system that increases blood flow and brings oxygen to the surface of the skin. The next brand will be a showstopper for you lovers of wine. They were just celebrated in Forbes as a best body scrub for smoothness and got a shout out in LA Times as well. Venissime is a face and body line using active botanical extracts from Pinot Noir plus antioxidant-rich blackcurrant buds and plant stem cells. So cool, am I right? So you can discover all the latest in products on our shop. Time for the party hats and cake, everyone! It's movers and shakers. Jamie Schell is the new spa director at Marriott Shoals Resort and Spa. Hooray! Carrie Clark is the new director of finance and business administration at Vital Body Therapeutics. Whoop whoop! And Carrie Myers is now repping the spa director title at Auburn Marriott Opelika Resort. Congratulations, everyone! Thanks so much for tuning in. You can find more news, happenings, education, and get chit-chatty with us on the Live Love Spa app. All of you hardworking professionals with a spa or brand, we want you to get 40% off retail on your favorite products. So become a pro insider to get the discount all year round on shoplivelovespa.com. I'm sending virtual hugs from the Live Love Spa family to yours. Have a spawsome week, everyone. Bye.